Well, with 3 hours of low tide, the waves are bigger than I expected. But we got to start somewhere and sometime. The Mumbles Man. 2026. Well, the first target says a 12. I don't see no 12. Sounds a little shaky. Stand by. 26, July. I knew it sounded shaky, but I ain't listened to it for a long time. Now we got the same number, 12 or 13. I'll bring the bottle out. I think we got it off our scoop. Uh-oh, I see a ring in the scoop. Come out of there, Gladys. Oh, she's a baby ring. Fit all. The first spring of 2026. Come on, Equinox. Do your stuff, baby. Back in that pouch there. It don't seem if I go in or out, offshore, inshore. There's a Mumbles Man. Ain't many targets right here. I don't understand it. We'll keep going and see how things will work out. I don't know, some kind of sailing rig, surfing rig, or I don't know what you call it, but I like it. There he goes. Amazing. A 17 initially. Now it's 14. Now it's 20. I don't like the sound of that. Stand by. Well, I finally got it out. That's about 8 scoops. A fine ticket. As the tide has started to get off, it's getting rough as bricks here now. Look, that's rough for the bay. I mean, it's not, but you know, it's supposed to be pretty today. I'm gonna turn around and go back towards the Mumbles Man and head in that direction. There ain't many targets in this direction. Stand by. We're supposed to get some weather. It's probably around 6 o'clock now. Let's be here around 7 or 8 o'clock. We might get rain. We need it. But so far, it's just clouds. Almost man's moving up on the damp zone. He's about like me. He got 3 targets. And on a ball spot. How can it be a ball spot?